Hello everyone, happy Friday and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a setup that I'm very excited about, and this is a Pastel Disney setup, and I will be using the kit from ScribblePrintsCo, which is still available on our website, and it's a gorgeous kit. You basically need, you get everything you need to set up this baby. I've used mostly her kit and I've just added just a couple of things, but it all came together when I received this gorgeous planner from Aura-Estelle. If you have seen my previous setups, I love her planners. They are gorgeous, they're beautifully made. I love this pink, it was just the perfect fit. And this is a B6 TN, which comes with 6 elastics, so it's really, you know, roomy, but I only use 3 inserts in my setups, so I got plenty of room to add decorations and basically kind of bulky items in there. And let me start here. Over here I have a few charms, and these are from Carolyn Plans, and I love her charms, and this is actually a collab with TheFoxandPip. You can see here the little charm, which was an exclusive. I love it, so I use it in all my setups. And by the way, this is a cute little candle that Marg at her wedding, which was you know, princess inspired. So I've just been to our wedding in June, and I just you know, thought it would be very good match since she loves Disney as well. And over here, like we see the first you know, first side here, in the pockets, and I love the setup of you know, how you know the pockets are in the Aura-Estelle planners, because it gives you a lot of room if you want to use, like I do, the cute little, you know, sticky notes that we always get, and this was also in the kit and it fits perfectly. Then over here I have this adorable little paper clip from LittleMissDaisy Rose, and I have a couple more in the setup using always from LittleMissDaisy Rose. And then I have a washi card from Oncemorewithlove with a washi tape from the kit, and as well as Simply Gilded. And then this paper clip came in the kit. Now this is my first insert, and in the first insert I wanted to start off with something clear, because I really wanted to show off the cover for the insert itself. And as you can tell, it's an acetate. I think this is from Michaels. It's got the little stars, and on one side is silver, the other side is gold, and I just use this bow. This bow actually came with a different kit from ScribblePrintsCo, but it came with a pink one in the kit itself, but I really wanted white, so I just went back and I ripped it off my previous setup. Oh well, but it's okay. And then I just put a couple of little Swarovski little stickers over there. Now this is the cover that I wanted to show off, and again, sorry about the reflection guys, but this was the acetate that came with the kit. It's a gorgeous print of the Cinderella castle, and I have just basically attached it to the paper from the kit because I wanted it to be on I didn't want to use it as an acetate just because I think you can see it less, and so I just attached it to the paper, which is this gorgeous pastels. You can see there's the pinks, and there's this kind of silver, and then the blue, and then this little Swarovski prints. And I have used these borders from the ThePlannerSociety. You can buy this on the ThePlannerSociety website, and I love using them. I use them in all my setups. So I use this to create a border. And then this is the inside, and again, I did not laminate the paper. The paper is very sturdy from ScribblePrintsCo. It's also shiny, and you know, it has this kind of like very you know, rich feel to it, so you don't really need to and I actually never laminate mine. So I love the inside. Also the, you know, the front was this pastel medley, and the inside were all these gorgeous hearts, and inside here I put a little pocket from the ThePlannerSociety. I put a little bow on top of it. I have some stickers from Simply Watercolor Co. There are little Mickey heads in you know, they're foiled in silver. And then I have another paper clip from LittleMissDaisy Rose. I love her Disney paper clip. And then I have just a little decal here with the Mickey Castle and you know, the Princess Castle with the Mickey head. I sadly do not remember where that came from. And then I have this adorable vellum. How cute is this? This is from Willa Wallow Co. Again, I have collected stuff for my Disney setup for a year, so I have you know, things from other shops, and this one, it just like, it looked so cute, and I just wanted to use it. You can tell there's a little Dumbo with little Gertie flying on top of it. And then this is just a puffy sticker from Michaels, I believe. And then here are my inserts, and as you know, I always say it, my favorite inserts are from AnniePlansPrintables, and this is my favorite format, which is just you know, 3 columns, dated and timed. And the kit here is from Maria, ScribblePrintsCo, from Maria of 2 Little Bees. And I have, you know, used different kits in this setup. I've already pre-planned it. I think this one from Wild Summer Designs. This one is from Frank Hearts You Too. So I've already pre-planned it and I'm ready to go. Now for the back of the insert, I just added one of these initials that you can get from Michaels. I don't know if they have them in store anymore, but I think they have them still on the website. I just bought a bunch of them because they are very cheap and they, you know, they are very substantial, and I love how they sit on the page, and I love the way that this P looks like. Then this is the back of the acetate, and then I put here this little doily. These are the ones that you can get at Michaels in the front, little, you know, where they have those bins. They're very cheap. I just like to add a little different texture when you go from like you know, an acetate or a regular paper. I just like to put in between I don't know, something of a different texture to change it up. And then here is a washi dashboard. This is for my second insert. So this washi dashboard that I did, I used a washi tape from the kit from ScribblePrintsCo, and then I just alternated it with a little bit of this teeny tiny 5mm from Simply Gilded. And then this beautiful image of the castle says first visit. I mean, I've gone to Disney many a times. We used to have actually Disney timeshare, and so we went there when my kids were little many times, but there's nothing like the first time. I still remember when I went the first time with my son, and I just propped it on 3D dots and put a little bow. The bows are from Hobby Lobby. And then on the inside here, this is one of the die cuts that comes in the kit, and I just put this little word that says sunny days. I just like to put something extra when I have a die cut. I just love to have something like a little saying, and these are from Crate Paper. And then there's this gorgeous acetate. This also is from the kit, and this is beautiful silver foiled hearts, and I love it that it's silver on both sides, because most of the time when you have this acetates, they are different, you know, color, which can be useful, but in this case I really want to stick with the silver. And then another one of the same puffy stickers. And then here is, I just love this. So here is the cover for the second insert. Again, border from ThePlannerSociety, and this is the card that came with the kit. I just layered it on this, you know, kind of like shiny, you know, I can't think of the word right now, but it's like a silver paper, and then from Michaels, and then there is this glitter paper from Hobby Lobby. Just put a few eyelets, and then there were these 2 little balloons. These were individual. So what I did is that I popped them on 3D dots, and then I glued on in the bottom this little, you can see it, this pink and white kind of cord, and I just to make it look like the little, you know, balloons are flying away, and I just love it. I just thought it was cute. And then on the inside, again, I did not laminate the paper. This is the back of the paper, and there's another pocket from ThePlannerSociety, another bow, little bow from Hobby Lobby. And this is how cute. It's just a paper clip from LittleMissDaisy Rose. And then I have these nail decals from Simply Gilded. I love them. You can add them to your manicure. You can use them as stickers or whatever you like. And this is just a blank insert. So for the cover, this is another one of the vellums from Co. And this instead is from ScribblePrintsCo. And I just popped it on 3D dots. And this one is actually page marker from ThePlannerSociety, one of the older kits. And back here, I attached this beautiful paper pad from Oncemorewithlove, and it says, if you ever forget, let me remind you, you are something magical. I just love it, love the saying and everything. Oh, and by the way, I have the perfect pens for my setup, which are from Marg too. Oncemorewithlove, adorable. She had a bundle, a Disney bundle a while ago, so I got that. And then here's the back of the washi dashboard. And then here I have a little sticker from Simply Gilded. the back of the doily, and here is my last insert. Sorry guys, little interruption. I'm getting over this awful cold, and talking for too long is still kind of a challenge. But what I was trying to say is that I used this jelly paper that I got on Etsy, and it is the perfect color because it's this perfect blue. I hope you can see it with the lights. And then here, but I didn't add anything to it because it's jelly paper. It's already pretty as it is. And then I love this vellum from the kit from ScribblePrintsCo, couple of Swarovski crystals, same sticker, puffy stickers from the sticker sheet from, and again, I think it's Michael's. And then here's my last insert cover. The paper is again from ScribblePrintsCo, another card that says find your happily ever after. And I did the same thing. I basically doubled it, attached it to this little sparkly paper, and then this glitter paper from Hobby Lobby, eyelets, and then this is another die cut that came in the kit from ScribblePrintsCo. I just put it on 3D dots. And this is my insert for my discounts, and it's always from AnniePlansPrintables. And then here I have another little pocket from the ThePlannerSociety, another paper clip from LittleMissDaisy Rose, and then I have some stickers here from Wontoninamillion. They are adorable. They're not Disney themed, but I thought they would look so cute. And then more die cuts from ScribblePrintsCo, and the paper clip is from PeoniesPaperie. And then here is the back. I wanted to end basically like I started. So I started with the Cinderella castle, and I wanted to end with the same castle. And so this is a card that came in the kit. I think it's gorgeous. I just love this, and I think it's the best way to kind of end the whole setup. And again, same thing, I just like to double layer my cards, the same little bows. And then here's the back of the vellum, same words from the Michael's kit. And then here is the jelly paper, another paper clip from PeoniesPaperie. This again is from ScribblePrintsCo. Again, another paper clip from LittleMissDaisy Rose. And then I have this actually came in the kit. You can use it as a page marker. I just wanted to have it back here. It's from ScribblePrintsCo. And then I have this assortment of my favorite stickers, Disney inspired. I have Oncemorewithlove, I have Wontoninamillion, and then I have Paper and Milk, and as well as Fox and Pip. So they're all super cute. I'm going to keep them here and use them as I go. So I'm going to add them up. And then I wanted to show you also that I have made a page marker for it. So here's the cute little page marker, and this is I made using the paper from the kit from ScribblePrintsCo. I just used the topper from the ThePlannerSociety. Then there's a little shiny little plastic little pocket from Sam, HappieScrappie, and then this is a sticker from ScribblePrintsCo. And how adorable is this? This is from Oncemorewithlove. Again, it was from our Disney bundle. And then this is a beautiful castle decal from Willa Wallow Co. And I just had to have it there because this is just perfect together. So here it is, guys, and I hope that you liked it. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Actually, it's probably easier if you reach out to me on Instagram, as I always check my DMs there. But I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.